be showing you some iOS 7 today. So, yeah, let's get started. So, you might not know where Spotlight Search is. Spotlight Search, see, when you go to the side, nothing's there. So, you need to swipe down from anywhere. So, if you're like, let's say I'm in, Passbook. It wouldn't, but I'll show you that. Oh, I got a new case. Yeah, it's a horse. It's charging. So, you guys focus. If you want notifications, it's a little different. Oh, sorry. You just have to like tap a little bit until you see, yeah, or you just pull down, and there are all your notifications, missed, all, and today. So yeah. Also, if you want to do the double click thing, you can do double click, and you can look at it. So there's two that I want out, so I can grab them both and just slide them both out. Isn't that awesome? Boom. Out immediately. It's so cool. Or you can just, like, you know, and you can't swipe the home screen out, but that'd be cool. That'd be really, really, really cool. Don't want to see that as more. Camera. So, and you can click on it. So yeah, that's useful, and you can, there's, you can turn flashlight on if you have a flashlight. Let's see. Then there's clock, calculator, camera, then there's airdrop, music. Let's see if there's anything.
Take it back, take it back, take it back.
Yeah. Then I've got the brightness thing. Airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, I think. You can turn on the do not disturb thing, on or off, and that is, what is that? Oh, portrait orientation. Yeah, that's better. So, yeah, and then also in FaceTime, one second. Let's do, you can FaceTime, but it's gonna like probably ring on this side touch. So yeah, and then if you go back to it, there's that like call. You can press that, and then it'll be like kind of calling it. So if you have an iTouch and you want to be able to call on it, this is kind of like it, except you can't turn it off speaker. See, yeah, and you can use your contacts, but I don't want to do that. So, and also, wait, no, there's a bunch of, these are just games, but, there's like, look at the messages, Safari music apps where they're all really, really, like, cool, and look at the photos, and also Game Center. Passbook looks cool. Also in clock. Oh wait, no, I didn't mean to go into it. If you can look closely, you can get to focus. It's moving. You can't see it. Yeah, you can probably see it. Yeah, you see it's moving. See it? If you see that red thing, it's moving. Right there. It's moving. So, also in weather, look at that. That's cool, isn't that? And it's like animated. See? Isn't that cool? It's pretty cool, isn't it? So, yeah. And then the motion ones. I found out that my panoramas aren't working like the panorama wallpaper, but the moving ones work. Like the bubbles work. See? So, yeah, bye.